everybody. Look at the sky up there. It is gorgeous. Look at this guy right there.
What's up?
He's not gorgeous. No, he's a good looking. You know what everybody says? We're doing the same things. Have you done a diet thing?
No. Factor
No?
got a hold of me.
Yeah.
And I told them I wanted way more money than they were willing to pay.
Oh.
So they went with you instead.
So that's nice.
Yeah, you took my sponsorship, man.
Well, I only got.
No.
Yeah.
I am on a diet though. I am. I decided to go on a diet on my own. I've lost 17 pounds in the last week and a half. Yeah.
In
You notice
a
I'm
week
not
and a
drinking
half?
Coke, water. I drink water all the time, and I barely eat anything anymore, and I don't eat out anymore. I haven't eaten out
How do you
in
survive?
almost 2 weeks. I eat at home. Weight Watchers, little
Wow.
tiny portion
Yeah.
meals. I eat 2 a day. Yeah, it sucks.
Enough of that. All right. We're going to talk about big fat cars, and we got a big fat white one coming up right here. We didn't tell everybody where we were. This is DAA.
Oh yeah, dealer auto auction.
Yeah.
That's
thanks
the
for.
best place in the world right here.
This is your new favorite stomping
I
ground.
love it here.
Yeah. And so Randy, we walked right out to this car. He said, "This is me right here." Let me back up the camera. This is a 7 Series. 97,000 miles. What year is this one?
11.
2011. And he said this had my name all over it. I love this. This is
$5
gorgeous.
grand.
$5 for the whole car?
That's what the book value is for wholesale, yeah.
Really? It's locked. No, here we go. Oh. Okay.
It's well used.
It is well used. This is something. They obviously smoked or something.
No, this is a BMW thing. My X5 did the same
Oh.
thing. When you put your hands back here when it's hot,
Yeah.
your hand will come out with crap stuck all
Oh,
over it. You have to
great.
replace the poles.
Oh.
Yeah, BMW things, man. Quality.
Yeah. Look at
It is nice though, isn't it?
after you clean it up.
Yeah, other than all of that.
Yeah. This is gorgeous though. Oh, this feels good.
I'll bet.
Yeah.
I'm sitting in the back.
Are you going to be driven? Yeah. I got to unlock the door for you. Stay away. Where's the door? Where's the unlock? Oh, right here. There it is.
There we go.
This
Oh, wow.
Smells funky.
Oh, it's got, look at the cigarette burns all over.
Yeah, so they were driving like this and hey, come on, get out of the way.
It's over there too.
Yeah, it's
What is this green stuff all over here? Oh, never mind. That's moldy food.
yeah, listen to this. If he'll do it again. Yeah.
What was that?
That's a very welcoming sound right there. Okay. Well, it feels comfortable. This is all worn off. Did you break something already?
No.
Oh, I love those bells.
It sounds good.
I really sound. I don't know. Let's just kind of do a quick little walk around. They're going to Norman. This would clean up pretty well, but it would take a lot to clean up.
Man, those halos look good. I miss when BMW did that. You know,
Yeah.
now they're all lines and things everywhere.
Oh, this is. I'm getting good about finding the hood pulls. I was on the money all day yesterday.
This is just a 6-cylinder?
Okay, well,
I guess that's good, right?
I
easy
guess
to
so.
maintain, easy to work on.
it sounds okay though.
I thought these came with V8s. I didn't know they had them in a,
Yeah.
what is it, like a 530?
Oh,
Or it's a 7 Series.
okay.
It's a 740.
740.
740.
Okay. I like it.
Yeah, I do too. I like
I
that
really
it's a
do.
6-cylinder.
And it's roomy. It just smells really funky. And it's got this stuff. This is like the dirtiest owner in the world right
It's
here.
pretty nasty.
And look at the stains here. Wow. Okay. Well,
No privacy blinds. This is a base model
base,
7 Series.
yeah. Some of the windows work. Eh, it's okay.
I think you need it.
You think I need it?
Yeah, you need this.
Tint the windows. Okay, well, we'll keep looking. We'll consider this one. I like the wheels, though. I do like the wheels.
It's got soft close.
Really?
Mine works. I think that's what your noise was.
Oh,
maybe.
Is it not? Yeah, mine does not. It tries. Once again, Randy's pointing me in the wrong direction.
It's the right direction.
This is the right way to go?
Yes.
This is what I need.
To tow little Mercedes and BMWs.
Absolutely. And little trackers I could throw right on the back.
Yeah.
You got to see the tracker. She is so pretty now.
Well, I watched the videos.
Pretty in pink.
But I haven't seen you do anything else to it other than rebuild the whole motor.
Yeah. Well, now we're painting a little bit. We got the radio bezel thing installed. The interior looks good. I would have driven it down here, but then the air conditioner wasn't blowing cold. But I took the tops off and took Lola for a ride. Oh, it's 4 little snaps, and they come off.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have drove it here without the tops. You
Without
don't need
the
air
top.
conditioning.
It rained 3 times on the way down here.
You still should have drove without the tops. I would have had
Yeah.
a good laugh when you got here.
I would have been wet. Look at the Cannonball. There we go. Cannonball Kingman. We're going to call this the Cannonball. I don't even know what this is.
It's an F550.
A what?
F550.
Okay.
It's a big Ford.
It's a BA truck. Look at that. 161,000 miles. You got the gooseneck. And what is it? Just stabilizers? Just to hold it down when you're putting on the gooseneck?
I couldn't even tell you what this is. I have no idea.
Wow.
It's more truck than I've ever had.
Yeah. This will pull anything. I don't know if I can afford to fill it up, but
You really could put the Geo tracker on the back.
Yeah.
If you could get it up there.
yeah.
That's a video in and of itself.
I love the tracker. It is so it cracks me up. I went to get an exhaust put on it, and the guy laughed as I pulled in.
Well,
He said,
always
"That's
nice.
that's a manly truck you got there."
He said that?
Yeah. This is huge. Oh,
Wow.
okay.
Wow.
That's been used hard.
With only 160,000 miles. That,
They were
that
hard.
looks bad.
160,000 miles. This is horrible. And they tried to protect the seats, but they couldn't. Oh my
That's-
gosh. This is
that's-
terrible.
Yeah.
I don't even know if I want to sit in it. I do want to sit in it. This has never been cleaned. I don't think
No.
ever. You think it'll start?
Of course. Not. It's a Ford. Fired right up.
This sounds good.
Purrs like a kitten.
Okay, so I need a windshield. No, I wouldn't, because I'm driving a car right now with a crack that's like 2 feet long. And it's been like that for a long time. Well, they trying to be like you and drink water. Yeah, this is a mess. Okay. What do you think this would go for?
I have no idea.
Yeah. 161,000 miles. I'm trying to see what year it is.
It's been here since 7/17.
Oh, okay.
It's a 15.
2015. That engine sounds good though.
It does. It's healthy. Looks like it may be tuned also. I don't know what they got there.
Yeah.
Is that a tuner or?
It's a red light, whatever. It doesn't work. I don't think it's connected.
That's, there you go.
That's it right there. Okay. Well, this is too big. I don't know. I couldn't even park this in my driveway.
You could park this in your driveway, and
I
your
don't-
neighbors would
this-
love you for it.
They already, or they're turning on me. No, they're not. Yeah, this is something for the serious hauler. So we'll keep on looking. One more car. We're gonna find something today. I really think so. Randy says this is the perfect car for me.
It is.
I don't know why, but you love your cop cars.
I drove it today. I put almost 1,000 miles on it already.
Really?
I drive it everywhere, every day.
And that's because what? People get out of your way, or?
People do on the highway. On the highway in the fast lane. If you get in the fast lane in the cop car, it's like watching the Red Sea get parted. It's like everything just opens up just for you. I cruised all the way here, 80 some miles. Well, 7 the speed limit.
Yeah.
All the way here, not a problem.
What happens if you pass a cop, or what do they do?
I haven't had that happen yet, but I assume that they look at it and assume you must be a cop,
Right.
so they're probably gonna let you go.
They just give you one of these.
Yeah.
Hey,
How's it going?
What's up, bruh? What's up, bruh? Okay, so these are really popular for you.
Oh yes.
Your people love these things.
The first video's hit almost 100,000 views already, and it just came out.
Really?
It's at like 90,000.
Wow.
And I don't have fancy lights.
Okay.
See, this would put you in the game here.
With my lights.
Lights, probably still has the siren.
Got the spotlight still attached. There you go.
See?
And it's got the cage in the back still.
Perfect for Lola.
I'll put the ducks back here. I can. Oh, this still has the padded seat too.
Yeah, see?
What? They don't give you much leg room.
No, you've never been arrested, have you?
No.
You didn't know that?
I've not enjoyed that experience
No,
yet.
they keep you cramped up with your hands behind your back while you're in the car. Yeah, it's very uncomfortable.
Okay. Wow. And there's nothing.
No. You're not opening the door or the windows.
I've seen so many people thrown in here. I mean, even on on the TikTok and everything. But it's a Ford Taurus.
Yeah.
Police Interceptor. So does it have a special engine then?
Probably not.
Okay.
Very few of the cop cars come with the twin turbo V6.
That's what you have.
Oh yeah. But if it comes with that engine, I'm telling you, that thing is most fun I've had in a Ford Taurus ever.
Really?
All-wheel drive, almost 400 horsepower.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a monster.
I mean, the inside of this kind of looks like yours.
Yeah,
Kind
this
of.
looks very similar to mine.
It's
Except this one has all the toys.
Look at all this.
Oh, you've got keys to the police department. That's what it is. You could probably get into the jail
Look
and
at all
everything
that.
with those.
Holy moly. What are they for?
Oh, what? That shield?
Yeah.
Is that for blackout mode?
I don't know. What is blackout
Oh
mode?
no. When you push this,
Yeah.
someone can't steal your car. When you get out, you push this button and people can't steal it, but I guess the car stays running.
Oh.
Sounds great.
Yeah, they're doing their little country
How
radio.
many miles? 43?
43.
Really?
Smells funky. Line in. Oh, you get a little USB thing over here. All these little buttons, that's cool. Let's see what engine it has. I would just play with this all day long. That's what I would do.
I do that when someone flashes their high beams at me. I've got it aimed just
Yeah.
right, so if someone flashes their high beams, I hit that on them and it blinds you,
Oh,
man. That thing's like the sun.
Oh. You know how to give a guy a heart attack. I jumped. This is just a V6.
Well, mine's a V6 too, but mine's
Yeah.
twin turbo. This is not.
Okay, yeah.
This is just your basic.
But it sounds good. It really does.
It does, yeah.
And they use nice batteries.
Yeah. But you get all the. I don't have any of this, man. Oh, I would get arrested if I had this car. I had a real police car once with the lights.
Yeah.
And I had a group of police officers show up at my house because TK and I were out playing around with lights and sirens and yeah.
Hey,
Gotta be careful.
this is cool how they put it in here.
Yeah.
I love that.
I want this just so I can steal all of the lights and put them on mine.
Yeah. There's a little clicking sound. No, this is cool. This is really cool.
Tons of hail damage though. That's probably why it's here.
Huh. Okay. Well, there you go. What do you think? Does Mike need a police car in his life? I wouldn't even know how to. What do you do when you're done with it? Just sell it?
Yeah. These things are hot commodity items, man, especially if you can get them with the lights. People
Yeah.
pay good money for these.
Huh. Well, that's something to think about.
You could put a tow hitch on the back of it and haul your cars with it.
Yeah.
And then use your lights and sirens to keep people out of your way.
There we go. All right, well, that's going to do it for this little walk around. A big thanks to Randy, and thanks for letting me come with you to DAA.
Yeah, thank you for coming out here,
This
man.
is your favorite place.
I love this place.
I just like it because it's asphalt. I mean, it's concrete. There's
Yeah.
no rocks. There's no boulders. There's
Dust.
no mud. It gets nasty
No
out there.
loaders flying past you, kicking dirt in your face, and
Yeah,
and
it's-
there's air conditioning inside and food if you're hungry. And
See.
and you
You're-
can drive the cars on the test track and romp on them.
You're living a
Yeah.
life here. I do everything wrong. He does it right. All right. So follow him. Of course you follow him. All right, folks. Have a great day. We'll see you in another video very soon. Bye.